Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So today I am going to teach you how you can fix an unexpected error occurred and the Roblox need to quit error on your Windows. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss any important step or information that I am going to show you and tell you in this video. So without further ado, let's get on it. So the first fix that you can do is to perform the basic checks and fixes right here. So this may resolve the problem instantly. So first you can close the error window and restart your device to see whether any temporary problem has caused the issue. And then you can close any cheat software that you might be using in other resource-intensive programs and programs running alongside Roblox. And then you can even whitelist the Roblox client from Windows Defender to ensure that interference from security suite didn't cause the crash. And then next, what you can do, or after performing this basic checks right here and that didn't fix the problem, you can go ahead and continue watching this video and follow the other fixes. So what you can do next is to clear the Roblox cache on your Windows and on your browser. So having corrupted temporary Roblox data referred to as cache can also cause the Roblox to crash, so especially if you haven't cleared it in a while. So clear the Roblox cache in both your browser and Windows. And to clear the Roblox cache on your Windows, you can follow the steps right here. So press the window plus R key on your keyboard and then type the %local update and press enter. And then after that, find and open the temp folder and find the Roblox folder right there, and then click delete. So as you can see here in this picture, here is the Roblox section, and then in this window just click on to the delete button. And then next, what you can do is to remove interfering browser extension. So if error occurs when running experiences from Roblox website, especially right after launch, the browser extensions could be to blame. So to ensure that isn't the case, disable any Roblox extensions you use to enhance Roblox user interface. Disable security extensions or any other extension you think could interfere with Roblox. And then lastly, what you can do is to switch to Roblox Microsoft Store app. So the Roblox Microsoft Store app is considered more stable and less prone to errors than Roblox website launcher, so which launches experiences from the web. So some users who experience crashes while using Roblox were able to resolve the issue by switching to Roblox Microsoft Store app. So that's it for this video, and remember, you can always pause this video or go back to the video and follow the steps at your own time. So that's it, and I hope this video helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and click notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.